If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned how to say I slept well in Chinese. 我睡得好. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say I didn't sleep well in Chinese. 我没睡好. This sentence is made out of 4 words. Let's learn them one at a time. The first word, you're very familiar with it already. 我, that means I. So please repeat after me. 我 The second word is 没, that means not or no. Please repeat after me. 没 I bet that you can recognize the third word from the past few classes. 睡, that means sleep. Please repeat after me. 睡 The last one means well or good, and we learned it before. 好 Please repeat after me. 好 So to put them together, the sentence sounds like 我没睡好. Please repeat after me. 我没睡好. 我没睡好. A couple more times. 我没睡好. Now a little bit faster. 我没睡好. Let's put this into a conversation to practice. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. Did you sleep well? No, I didn't. Remember, in Chinese, we don't answer yes, I did or no, I didn't. We have to say I slept well or I didn't sleep well. Are you ready for the practice? Let's go. Please repeat after me. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. 你睡得好不好? 我没睡好. One more time. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. 你睡得好不好? 我没睡好. One last time. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. 你睡得好不好? 我没睡好. See whether you can do it all at once. It sounds like this. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好. 你睡得好不好? 我没睡好. The more you practice, the more fluent you will sound. In the next class, we're going to learn how to say me too in this situation. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Please subscribe. I appreciate your support. See you next time.